Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you all. Apple has just announced their latest line of MacBook Pro laptops. And we are here to tell you everything you need to know about these new devices. Apple's new MacBook Pro is designed to deliver maximum power and performance with an all-new M2 chip that provides up to 25% faster CPU performance and up to 50% faster graphics performance than the previous generation. The new MacBook Pro comes in two different sizes, a 14-inch and a 16-inch model. Both sizes feature a Retina XDR display with a resolution of 3024 x 1964 pixels, which delivers brighter whites and deeper blacks than ever before. Apple has also made some design changes to the MacBook Pro with a new flat-edge design that is reminiscent of the iPhone 12. The laptop is also available in three different colors: silver, space gray, and gold. Another exciting feature of the new MacBook Pro is the addition of a new MagSafe connector, which allows for faster charging and more reliable connections. The MagSafe connector is also compatible with other MagSafe accessories, such as the new MagSafe Duo charger. Apple has also made some changes to the keyboard on the new MacBook Pro. The laptop now features a new keyboard with improved travel and an updated layout, which includes a dedicated emoji key. The new MacBook Pro also features a touch bar, which provides quick access to your most used apps and tools. And for those who prefer physical function keys, Apple has also added a new physical ESC key to the keyboard. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the new MacBook Pro is the addition of Face ID. With Face ID, you can quickly and securely unlock your laptop, make purchases with Apple Pay, and more. Apple has also made some improvements to the audio and camera systems on the new MacBook Pro. The laptop now features a 3-microphone array and a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, which provide clearer audio and video for video calls and recordings. And finally, Apple has made some improvements to the software on the new MacBook Pro. The laptop now runs on macOS Monterey, which includes new features like Universal Control, which allows you to use your MacBook Pro and iPad together seamlessly. So that's everything you need to know about Apple's new MacBook Pro. With its powerful M2 chip, stunning Retina XDR display, and new features like Face ID and MagSafe, this laptop is sure to be a hit among Apple fans.